Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I wanted to announce some big milestones we have here on this channel, and I appreciate you being with us. If you like this channel, be sure to like and subscribe. It actually helps a lot. Anytime you like any kind of video, whatever you're watching, it helps the video get watched even more. I don't get a lot of likes on my videos, maybe because people don't like them, but they continue to come back to watch more videos. So if you are doing that, be sure to like them. Like I said, it really helps. But I'm going to take you through some of the things that, some of the milestones we're about to hit, and also give you some analytics as far as what YouTube has for us. I'm going to take you through few of those. And also, I want to take you through the future of this channel and exactly what we got going on the next 6 months, maybe to a year. Maybe I'll go through that. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Update Edition. So this channel started in Columbus, Georgia in October, actually October 31st. It was Halloween when I think I posted my first video in 2019. So it's been a few years. What did we just hit? 4 years? Wow. I've been telling everybody 3. Huh. 4 years. And our totals have hit 1,500 subscribers. So basically, I guess it's the whole thing. If you throw enough mud on the wall, pretty soon things are going to stick. And let me tell you, this YouTube channel is exactly that. It has lots of things have stuck, and I've made some modifications. You can probably see some of the older videos I've made and how much they've evolved. Hopefully they've evolved for the better, but that's up to personal interpretation, I believe. The number of views I've gotten for all these videos I've put out, I'll see on my analytics here I'm staring at. Let's go ahead and start. 163,000 views as of this video. Estimated revenue I've made off all these videos, 0. I'm getting real close to make my first $100 check with YouTube, but currently, as of this video, I've made zero money on. I made no money at all for all these videos, and I've posted, let me see how many videos it says. This thing says I've got, it doesn't tell me here. I think I've got 560 videos. So there's a whole lot of videos out there that I've made. Yeah, I'm trying to look. I can't seem to find it here. I don't have it on my fingertips, but I think it's 560 videos is what I've got total. The number of subscribers being 1,500 is pretty high, and this thing has just jumped on me. Watch time hours, over 9,000 watch time hours. I guess 10,000 would be a nice mark to hit, but it's strange that you see the numbers go up, and it's funny to me that some of the videos that people tend to like aren't typically videos I spend the most time on. What's your return on investment? It's not there for YouTube. And I've seen other people that do videos like this that'll tell you the same thing. Return on investment isn't there. It seems like the videos that you spend the most time on, that you get those beautiful shots with your drone, and I have a drone, but I don't tend to use it very much partially because it's kind of an inexpensive drone. So when the wind blows, it does this, and I don't want to wreck into people's RVs or houses or power lines. And so I'm a little skittish when I do use it. I think the last time I used it, I was in Wisconsin at a big open field, and I got a picture of the RV park we were at. I'm trying to get an RV park picture here, but again, I'm a little skittish. It's really gonna be a calm day, and we're here in South Texas right now, and it can get a little windy. But the video that's got the most views, it's got 14,000 views, and it is called Royal Order of the Jesters. What are they? Now, if you've been watching this video for some time, you know that I'm a jester, which is not only do you have to be a mason, you have to be a Shriner, and then you get invited to be a jester. So it takes some time to get involved in those and dues money and all those. I will say I'm not active right now, mostly because I'm on the road, and jester units tend to be around major cities, and they don't meet all that often. So I haven't had an opportunity to do anything more with the jesters. But this particular video talks about the jesters, and I think I take the viewer through the headquarters in Indianapolis, which is really restricted as far as what you're allowed to videotape. So they don't just let anybody go in there and videotape. They let me that one day, but I had to promise not to put anybody's names of any members visible, or pictures of the members on the video, although I did talk about some people that may be members, but I would not confirm or deny. So the second one I've got is Independent Order of the Odd Fellows, which is me taking a Jeep ride down to one of their meeting rooms and kind of going around the meeting, their building, and talking about because they're really, I guess you'd say, the Masons' competition when it comes to fraternities, because the Independent Order of Odd Fellows is a fraternity also. The next one down from it is my second video I did with the Royal Order of Jesters, an inside look. Whereas I go through there and actually do the video of the Royal Order of Jesters, whereas the first video I made was actually a lot of pictures that I took inside of the building. It wasn't actually a video. And then the next one down from it, I got 3,000 views on we bought a car, a VW Jetta hybrid, and I did that in 2021, and I still have that car. At the time I made this video, I think I had maybe 50,000 miles, and I think I'm at 150,000 miles in that car. So maybe I should do another one on that car. And also, one of the things I thought about doing, I like Jeeps, and although I don't have a Jeep, one of the things, and tell me your thoughts about this, put it down in the description down below in the comments. I thought about doing a video about Jeeps that I don't think anyone else is doing, which is not watching them move, but going up to somebody and asking if I could basically do an interview with them and ask them all the modifications that they've done on their Jeep. The winches, and what winch did they go with, and why, the lift kits, the kind of tires, the lights on the outside, and try to go through and try to maybe find some things that people didn't know they could do with their Jeep, or maybe give some people some ideas of some things they could do with their Jeep. So that's kind of one thing, only because Jeeps interest me, and one day I'll buy another Jeep, but I'm not ready for one right now. I did have a Jeep, and it was my biggest drawback with it. It was an inline 6, and the gas mileage was like this. It was like 12 miles a gallon. It sucked. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. It's just not something you can travel with. And they don't exactly ride nice. And anyway, so let's talk about where this channel is going, and I hope to continue to do some of our main ones that we're doing. I'm actually going to continue to be doing Masonic videos as we travel. I want to continue to do some travel videos as we travel, and I also want to continue to go to RV park reviews, which is another playlist that we have, and the other playlist we have is church reviews. And I think church reviews, are really a missing gem. One, no one's doing church reviews. In those church reviews, I take you, I kind of show you the outside of the church, and I show you the inside as if you were a brand new member visiting the church, what you can expect. The seating arrangements, are they pews? Are the lights dim? Are they arranged in a semicircle? Are they straight? Are they portable chairs? And also a little bit about the sermon. I try to give you something, maybe a little taste of the pastor, because sometimes you can get a lot of that on on most churches have their own YouTube channel, so you can kind of see what the pastor's like, but they don't show you the room, and they rarely will show you the band and what the band is doing. Is the band any good? You know, last thing you want to do is go to a place and if you hate choirs, they got a big choir, or vice versa. You hate bands and all it is a big band. So, but it kind of gives you an idea what to expect when you go to those churches. So check out some of those videos. I actually like doing the videos. One, they're pretty quick and easy to do, and easy to get posted and everything. And they're not very long. I think 8 minutes is always my target as far as the videos go. But future plans. Speaking of 8 minutes, this video is over 8 minutes now. Future plans. We are in the process, once we leave where we're at now which is South Texas, in April, we're going to go and spend 2 weeks near San Antonio. I want you to see what I can do around San Antonio. Definitely visit some lodges, some churches, and of course our RV park that we're staying at. Then we're going to go over to Roswell, New Mexico. Never been to Roswell. Looking forward to doing some funny stuff on space aliens and everything like that. I got a really funny video. It's out right now. It's about Uranus, Missouri. Check it out. It's really funny. I've got a whole lot of puns in it. I'm surprised that video hasn't gotten more views, but I think it's a really funny video. But so from Roswell, we're going to go on up to Colorado. We'll be in Colorado 2.5 weeks or so. I think we're going to be in the Rockies, not far from Denver, I guess, but toward the Rockies. We're going to be in Encore Park over there. I think it's Encore Park. Maybe it's Thousand Trails. And then from there, we'll be in Deadwood, South Dakota. And I'm looking forward to going to Deadwood because the really cool things about Deadwood, and this is bonus material. Let me tell you, the bonus material is coming. Bonus material is in Deadwood. I'm getting a job lined up where I'm going to work part-time on property at a RV park, but I'm going to get a job in Deadwood is my goal so that I can dress up like a cowboy and shoot people. Yeah, so I want to be part of those gunfight shows and those other shows that they do. They do one in a brothel or a bar, and they do one that's a court case, the prosecution of somebody, I forget the guy's name, but it's supposed to be some real popular court case. But they've been doing it for years, so I'm looking forward to getting involved in there and doing that with those guys. I kind of got my foot in the door already, but nothing's official as of yet. So those are the things. And then from there, we're going to be heading next fall. We'll be heading back down south. I'm probably going to do winter in Yuma, Arizona. Never been to Yuma, Arizona, so we're looking forward to being down there. Don't have it cast in stone yet. We may end up south of maybe just south, maybe in Flagstaff or just south of Phoenix. But it sounds like we may want to do our summer in Yuma because I hear they're really RV friendly, and we like places that are RV friendly. Anyway, that's kind of what we got going on. Be sure to like and subscribe, and as I've said many times before, and click that little bell for notifications for different videos that we have coming out, and hopefully we'll see you down the road. By all means, if you see our RV, stop in and say hello. Be glad to chat with you some. So if you're in our area, right now we're in Harlingen, Texas, so come see us down here. But let me let you go, and hopefully we'll see you next video, as I said before, because I'm out here living the coolest life.